Oh, we also have done our eyebrows here. Just do like that. Okay, I look from these babies. I'm also gonna prime right underneath. Okay, look up there. Just under here, because we're gonna put some shadow there later. So it's all primed up. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. So now using the Modern Renaissance palette, the shade Tempera. So I'm gonna take this brush here about the axis, and we're just gonna step. And just get down, just to get a nice base. My model, she's got really pretty skin. It's like beautiful skin.
Don't pay attention to my hair, because it's messed up.
So taking another fluffy brush, we're gonna go in with Buon Fresco. With this little mauve pink here, and that's gonna be our transition shade. Thank you very much. I'm just gonna buff that into the crease. Buff, 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 buff. Buff, buff, buff. Buff, 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 buff. Okay. Buff, buff, buff. Keep buff until your fingers fall up. Buff, buff, buff. Our Naked Heat palette, which I just got for her. Getting Sauced, which is this one here. I don't know if you can see that one there. And the Sauced is a little, sorry. My bad, I can't see them. This one, cut off the excess. And then we're just gonna go on the sides here. Focusing on the inner and outer corner. That's where you want to focus most of it. You don't want to. You're just gonna focus on the outer and inner corner both. Make sure this part, like, it blends a little bit, but you just want to focus more on the outside part. And again, with the same palette, so we're going to use more of like the warmer tones. We're going to do the same thing, but just build up the color. So we're going to start with Cayenne here, and we're going to do the same thing. The little outer areas here, if you want this part to be more reddish. We like our reddish warm tones, don't we? Warm, 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 warm. And again, we're just going to gradually get darker. So we started with Cayenne, then we're going to go into He Devil. Swatch, swatch, swatch here. And again, outer and inner corner. Outer and inner corner. Just buff those up. Go ahead and itch that. And then just you're going to keep going darker till we get to On Fuego. I think it's having fire.
I think so. Sounds like it.
But you're going to blend this one up more into the crease. This one here. Blend, 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 blend. Blend, 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 blend. Go back into our Modern Renaissance palette, and we're going to take the lightest shade here. And just on a fluffy blending brush, tap off the excess. We're just going to blend out all here so everything is more seamless. And you're just going to keep blending, just to make sure everything is blended. It's always good to go in with a clean brush so you don't get excess product. And we don't want any harsh lines. There, we have that. So now that you have this little section here, you can go with your finger, again with this Tempera shade, that was like the one we used to set her base, just a little bit of a finger, and you're just going to pat this in, just to lighten this area up. Again, just lighten that area up. So now, you're going to want to take a flat, where is that?
Where are you, Mr. Brush?
We're going to go into, again, the beautiful Modern Renaissance palette, a Vermeer it's called, like a little shimmery light pink shade. So I'm going to go in with that, and then taking MAC Fix Plus, dust it off, taking a spray something.
Good job, I think you missed, but it's okay. I missed the first time, okay?
And then you're just going to pat it on. But you want to focus the lighter shade more towards your inner corner. And you're just going to pat, 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 pat. It's just going to intensify when you add the MAC Fix Plus. Okay, pretty, pretty, pretty. Next we're going to go to the Naked palette. The shade here is really, really pretty, so we use Scorched. So same idea. You're going to go into your color, and then tap off a little of the excess, but you don't want too much tapped off, and you're going to spray it for me. Got a good? Very nice. I'm going to pat that down here. You're going to tilt your chin up, and then we're just going to go down closer. This area here, and we're going to pat, 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 pat. If you can, try to blend those colors together. You can always go in and add more if you feel like you don't have enough. We're going to go even darker. Lumber. The trust is very dark. We're going to use Lumber. It's hard to see. lumber. And then outest corner is where this color's gonna go. It's gonna go right there. And you're just gonna pat it all in. Pat, pat, pat. Thingy. Just to make sure they look like decently the same. And then we're gonna go back in again with our Modern Renaissance palette. We're gonna go back into that same Vermeer shade. You know, right? You just pack that on. Pack. Another fluffy blending brush again and just blend. Blend all their colors out. This one would work a lot better if we had some glitter glue on us, but we don't. So we're gonna take Cosmo from the Huda Beauty palette. Desert Dusk palette. With my finger.
You got accident.
Huh? Go. You just pat that on into the center. We're just gonna add some little glitter. We don't have glitter glue, but it still looks pretty.
Yeah.
She's gonna call it your thing. Okay. So now we're gonna go in with her eyeliner. Oh, that really hurt. Liquid eyeliner from NYC, I think.
It's very black.
It's black.
It's not the pearlized one.
Yeah, it's not.